Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be going over Invest 92L, 93L, and an upcoming disturbance along with the two other current disturbances. Let's get into it. As you can see, there's two 90% chances off the African coast. One's in the middle of the MDR, and the other one is in the far eastern portion. I think that Invest 92L could actually be a tropical depression by tonight. And Invest 93L will likely be marked as a potential tropical cyclone, so they can issue advisories in the Cape Verde Islands. The NHC has marked 10% for the Caribbean disturbance. I have marked it at near zero, but not necessarily zero. And then the other disturbance is 1030. I do agree with that, but something I would like to note. If this develops faster than expected and somehow becomes a storm within the next 3 days, let's say, I do think if you are in North Carolina or South Carolina, you should monitor for a possible Category 1. Do not flip the gun and say, oh, well, he said it's coming. No, just be monitoring for this, as wind shear, dry air are going to be favorable, along with the moisture and warmth in the waters from the Gulf Stream. So if you are in South Carolina or North Carolina, just monitor the system very closely. Now let's take a look at the satellite imagery for the Atlantic. And as you can see, Disturbance 3, Disturbance 4, Invest 92L, and Invest 93L. This image was taken a couple hours ago. So on Invest 92L, the cloud tops are actually quite a bit better than what you see on satellite. You cannot quite yet see that upcoming disturbance that I was talking about. The only reason they even mention this is the GFS, the Icon, and the European model are showing signs of a disturbance coming up right after Invest 93L in the next coming days. So that is something else to watch. There is a slight possibility that all three become majors. It is more likely that they all become storms. That is actually quite very likely that all three become storms. And there is, again, quite a possibility that all three become at least minimal hurricanes. Now let's take a deeper look at the current Invest. This is for Invest 92L. Again, this imagery was taken a couple hours ago. So cloud tops have gotten better on Invest 92L. But the current winds are 35 miles per hour with a pressure of 1,006 millibars. And its location as of a couple hours ago was 16.7 degrees north and 39.5 degrees west. Now let's take a look at Invest 93L. And its cloud tops look very impressive, although infrared would show differently. But you never know. I do think a potential tropical cyclone is upcoming with this one, so they can issue warnings and watches for the Cape Verde Islands. Its current winds are 30 miles per hour. It has a pressure of 1,008 millibars, and its location, again, as of a couple hours ago, was 14.5 degrees north, 18.3 degrees west. Likely only a slight shift west, maybe slightly north as well. Same for Invest 92L. But thank you guys for watching. I will likely come out with another video tomorrow, as likely there will at least be a potential tropical cyclone issued for 93L, possibly even both depressions or storms at that point. But thank you guys for watching today's video. If you like more Atlantic content, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you enjoy more content like this. Thank you guys for watching. Signing off.